In this video, we are going to see how we can uninstall the Windows updates on Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. Let's say that we have installed the updates recently, and after installing the updates, maybe we are having problem with some of the softwares and we just want to uninstall the updates. Here's what you can do. Just open up the search menu and right here settings. And once we are in the settings, you can see and locate the apps section on our left. And on the right hand side, we have the advanced app settings. Just go ahead and open this up. And here in the related settings, we have the uninstall updates option. Just click on that. And after that, the most recent updates will be shown in the sequence. So let's say that we want to get rid of this latest update. On the right hand side, we have this uninstall button. Just go ahead and click on that. Click on uninstall to confirm. And once it is completely uninstalled, it will show here uninstalled and the restart is required. So you must restart your computer to make these changes effective. And that's pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you want to learn more amazing stuff on our channel, you can join the playlist link in the description, and I will see you in the next one.